Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Novo small business checking account and what they have to offer. Novo does offer up to $75,000 small business working capital loan. Before I get into that, if you are interested in my one-on-one business credit mentorship, I do have a few more spots available. You can text me 937-423-9954 for a free consultation. See if the mentorship is right for you. Anyways, let's get right back into it. So I'd advise all business owners to go ahead and get the free Novo business checking account. Even if you already have a business checking account with, say, Chase or Navy Federal or anywhere, that's fine. Just get a backup account because this could help you qualify for a no credit check working capital business loan. So to qualify for Novo's business working capital, you must already have a business checking account with them. So if I were you, I would go ahead and sign up. It only takes like 5 minutes to sign up for a business checking account, and you only have to fund it with like $50. The application, it literally takes like 5 minutes and you can have it open instantly. Just make sure you use the link in the description below. Let's go over the features real quick. It's free business checking account in the palm of your hand, easy transfers, free ACH transfers, mailed checks, and incoming wires. Apply in minutes, submit your application in under 10 minutes. I already did it before and it literally took like 5 minutes to do. No hidden fees. Don't be surprised by a fee again. FDIC insurance. It's insured through Middlex Federal Savings, and it's online banking. Human powered customer service. Free transfers, mailed checks, like I said, incoming wires, integrate with small business tools, ATM fee refunds up to $7 per month, thousands of dollars in exclusive perks. Traditional banks, they do charge a monthly, say, maintenance or service fee, $10, $20. So, this one, you're not going to get charged any fees. The other thing good with Novo is you can connect, say, through like QuickBooks and other integrations that could offer you business financing as well. You also get the virtual card. So you get a physical card and a virtual card. You have the ability to freeze and unfreeze it instantly. They also offer several savings like Stripe, 5K and waive processing fees, 20% off LegalZoom, different ones like this. And these savings can be helpful if you're a small business owner, depending on what type of business you're in. So that's about it when it comes to the small business checking account. The link, like I said, will be in the description below. Use that when applying, or it's going to be in the comment section pinned. Now, I'm sure most of you guys are here because you're interested in getting the $75,000 working capital, right? So for that, it's up to $75,000. It is like invite only. However, to qualify for it, all you need to do is just create a business account and deposit $50 into it. And just like any of these fintechs in the last couple of years, a lot of them tend to offer different products in the future. Like you see Ramp or Divvy, they offered just say credit lines at first, and then they started offering extended terms like Flex Pay, like 45 days, 60 days, 90 days to pay back. So, it's no different. Say for Novo, they're a fairly new business banking fintech. They already offer the working capital, and they could be offering other business finance options here in the near future as well. So best just to go ahead and create an account. Even if you just say use it once a month, it's fine. And they're not going to be doing any hard pull on your personal credit as well. Let's go over the working capital section on their site. Unlock your potential with small business financing. Access fast, flexible working capital as your business grows with Novo. Apply for the checking account to get started. So you can see here it says get up to 75,000 instantly, and the monthly factoring fee is 1.5%. What's nice about this is say you borrowed, let's just say 50,000, right? Say you paid back, say 10,000. So the 10,000 can become available shortly after you paid that payment down. So here's like a little demo. It's like it shows my funding details, available funding. This is example 14,000, funding in use 6,000. Total funding limit 20,000. Basically, it means to say you could qualify, say, for 50,000. Say you made a few payments already and you paid off, say, 10,000. Then you're going to see there, it's going to show you that 10,000 is available again. So you could re-loan that out if you wanted to. And like I said, after you qualify for it, it is available instantly as soon as you hit, say, borrow and go through the agreement. Revolving access, your Novo funding balance continues to be available as you complete your monthly payments unlike a loan. So that is nice. So clear repayment plan, only use what you need as you need it. Get a 6-month repayment schedule with the option for early repayment at no additional cost. Like I said in other videos, some business capital loans do charge a prepayment penalty if you pay it off early, but there's no additional cost. There's no prepayment penalty with the Novo working capital business line. So really, it's like a business line of credit. So really, it's like a business line of credit, because like once you make one payment or two payments, whatever that payment is, it's going to become back available to you within the Novo portal. Now let's get over the FAQs real quick. How long does it take to get approved for Novo funding? Basically, it says application can be completed under 10 minutes. They'll complete the review within 24 hours. So it's not very long. What type of financing does Novo Funding offer? Novo Funding offers a merchant cash advance. I think they have to call it a merchant cash advance by law, but really it's kind of not, because merchant cash advances typically you have to pay back every day. They take an auto draft out of your bank account or every week. But with this, it's giving you 6 months to pay back, and it seems like you can just make payments as you want. How is a merchant cash advance different from a loan? How is a merchant cash advance different from a loan? The blueprint for a merchant cash advance is simple. Once a small business is approved, a lump sum is deposited into their checking account. The business makes a monthly repayment for a set amount of time. The payback amount will consist of the amount drawn, known as your principal, plus a percentage-based fee, known as the monthly rate. Monthly rates vary based on the number of factors, including your business industry, years of operation, financials, transactions, and credit score. So the fees, what are the fees? Every customer is different. They provide monthly rates as low as 1.5%. Do I have to draw the funds by a certain date? No. If you're approved or qualify, there's no limit when you have to take those. However, 130 days or more with no activity on your Novo business checking account, your account could get closed. And at the end, it says, find out if you qualify today. So you just get started. Link will be in the description below. Like I said, you do have to have a small business checking account with them to qualify for the working capital business loan. So just sign up. It doesn't cost anything. It's a good backup business bank account. So yeah, that's about it. One last thing real quick. If you guys are interested in my one-on-one business credit mentorship, I do have a few more limited spots available. Just text me right now at 937-423-9954 if you are interested. You guys take care and have a great day. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Thanks again.